Hey, what's up, everybody? What's up? I know I'm a little bit early, but that's because I have to start. Yeah, dude, Wiz, this is the iconic ending. Yeah, I have to, this has to be a short stream just because of the work that I have later. So, yeah, I wanted to start just so I was at my desk anyways, so, why not? So, what's up, everybody? How's everybody doing this Thursday? I know, the minds are blown. I know, Andrew Zhao. I know. What's up, dude? I know my shading's bad, dude. You getting Tutor ads? I guess they know what you need. I mean, I guess. Yeah. So, Wiz asked to do the circle questions today, where we do a part over whole stuff. So we can definitely do that. Since it's going to be a shorter stream, yeah, April, I have got your thumbnails. They're pretty good. But I have a backlog of thumbnail submissions. So I'll get to it. Yeah. So yeah, hopefully everybody's doing good today. The YouTube algorithm's working against me? Oh no. What's new? Most of my watch times is from subscribers. I barely get any non-subscriber watch time. Or maybe that just means people subscribe to me, I don't know. So, what's up? Okay, so I guess since I did start a little early, I have no idea why I started this early, dude. I'm not ready at all. You have to hold on for a second. We can do it late today or tomorrow, Andrew, if we don't get to it today. Oh man, this coffee is absolute life right now. Okay. So, I get other YouTube streaming on subscription box. Streaming on subscription box, but not me. I am rethinking my life choices. I'm not ready to stream. I guess I just started the video early just because I wanted to start it, but I didn't really have anything planned. There was no real reason to start it early. So yeah, what's up, everybody? If you haven't already, definitely check out some of the stuff on the website. There's some pretty cool stuff. Obviously, I'm going to keep shilling DeepMind. What else? We also have math and ELA stuff. There's a online test you can take if you're new, I guess. So yeah, possibilities, we can do them. Could we do one probability question? Okay, as a recap, Christy, I see that. Okay. Let's see. Oh, dude, Geek is powering through. That's nice, man. Way to go, Geek. All right, we can start with a probability question just to give you guys a shot, just for those who just first got it yesterday. So hold on. All right, so I'm gonna turn off this music because I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of the music. Whatever. All right, so let's do a probability really quick. Look at my donation. I don't think I have any donations, dude. Yeah, I don't have any donations, but thanks. Get the hype in the chat. All right, so let me get a probability problem going for you guys. What could it be? It could be it could be ooh, that could be cool. Hold on. It could be a 9. Ooh. 4. No. Okay, yeah, let me give you a hard one here. All right, cool. So here's the first question, just as a recap of yesterday. If this blows your mind, then you need to watch yesterday's video. So yeah, let's get it. I'll give you guys a minute and a half. That is tragic. All right, and try to knock this out within a minute and a half, because this is like total, you should be able to like crush in a minute and a half on this one. All right, Samantha's coming in. Geek, I know you're sick, bro, but you gotta, I'll give you a pass for this one, Geek, for not reducing just because you're sick. That's so funny. Rohan, yeah, everybody's crushing this. Legend, you gotta reduce that, bruh. Huh? Legend. All right, I got you, Legend. I'm like loving it today, so. Shade, Matt, check your work, bruh. Matt, well, maybe Matt's right. We've seen this happen, bros. We've seen this. Oh my gosh, that's Matt. You'll have to give me a second. Oh, dude, you donated? Thanks, Plays. That's huge, man. I think if you donated, that means you're the first person to ever donate to me. That's, wow. I want to like give you a certificate, dude. I'm so grateful. Thank you. All right, so everybody's crushing this problem. I'm just gonna go over this really quick, just because I have a feeling everybody's kind of getting this one. So let me just go over this. 4, 7, 6, 3. That adds up to 20, right on the bottom. And so, what is the probability I don't pick red? Well, everything but red would be 14. So I pick one out. There's still going to be 6 red, but now there's only 13 others and 19 total. So you can reduce this, and I highly recommend that you reduce this for sure. Dude, shout out to Plays for the donation at 99 cents, bro. That is awesome. Thank you, bro. All right, that's so crazy. It's my first one. All right, so 14 over 20 divided by 2, that's going to be 7 over 10. This is ugly, but unfortunately doesn't reduce. So then we have to do this straight up, and get used to doing your math, bros. 27, 91, crush, 91, and this is 190. You guys reduced this? Dude, shout out to everybody who reduced this. Whoa. Okay, so yeah, you reduce it and you probably get to 7/10. I don't know, does 91 divide by 7? 1, 7, yeah, 21, 3. So this is 13 times 3, and then 190, I wonder if that also divides by 13. So 190, that would actually be crazy. 13, 1, 13, 60. What would that be? 5? No. 4? No. That would be 6. No, that's ugly, bros. That's really ugly. What did I do wrong? I basically know I did something wrong. All right, so 14 over 20, 13 over 19, that reduces to 7 over 10. This is ugly and does not reduce. That multiplication is I don't even know why I had to do that multiplication again. What is going on? Oh, it's 190, but that still doesn't divide by 13. So how did you guys get 7 out of 10? Oh, you only did one pick. Ah, that's so funny. All right, dude, shout out to everybody in the chat for recognizing that we only have to do it once. Yeah, it's only 7 out of 10. Oh my gosh. Dude, the rage, just getting roasted by the chat is so funny. Okay, so that was me testing you guys, actually. That was not me forgetting that I only asked for one pick. I would never forget that I only asked for one pick instead of 2. So I thought we were, I was just doing it as if they asked for 2 picks without replication. You guys passed the test. Congratulations, everybody, for catching me on that mistake, because really, I was just testing you guys. So, nice. If that's confusing to you, go to yesterday's video. Okay. Oh my gosh, dude, I can't believe I tricked myself, dude. That's how you know your questions are so good, is when you trick yourself, dude. That's how you know your questions are like top tier, when like even you can't answer your own questions. That's how you know. All right, so Wiz asked about this type of stuff, so let's actually crack this for a second, because this is brand new to the SHSAT, and if you're new to this channel, you got to know. Dude, skills you're in DeepMind? Nice. Oh yeah, also with DeepMind, I highly recommend that you keep the tab open. Like, there's so many questions, dude. It's like over 2 hours worth of work. I do need a redemption, bro. All right, so we have something like this. We have a circle like this. And let's just say I'm gonna draw some angles in here. All right, cool. And let's just say that I shade this. And I say A, this is B, and this is C. If I say BC is 6 and angle ABC is, what would that be? Actually, you know what? I'm not going to give you ABC. I'm not going to do that. All right. Oh, sorry about the light fluctuating there. Let's see. Let's start real easy here. Okay, the shaded region is 36 pi. BC is 6. What I want to know is, what is angle ABC? That's what I want to know, what angle ABC is. All right, you guys have a minute and a half. Let's go. Yeah, I think it was skills that started that. Dude, Mustard, we'll go over it, bro. Oh my gosh, did I just do the shaded region as 36 pi? Bros, hold on. Dude, hold on. Oh my god. Dude, why is my life a redemption today? All right, dudes, all right. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Dude, what is going on with my brain? I swear, like, did I to be honest though, I did just wake up from a nap like 5 seconds before I opened the stream. Okay, so let me legit go into this and like actually think about it. All right, so let's just say this is 6 feet, and then let's say the shaded region here is shout out to everybody who is raging at me in the chat. Triple redemption time. Yeah, thanks everybody. Shaded region equals, let's say, Jesus. 6 pi. All right. Angle ABC. All right, so here we go. Here's actually a real question. This is legit. What's up? And this would be 6 pi feet squared or whatever. I'm not hating on it. So let's start over again. This is my double redemption. Yeah, I do need some coffee, dude. I'm like already out. Look at that. This is like tragic. I need some lasagna. Thank you. In order. Oh my gosh. I should be writing a problem off camera and just leave. Yeah, I probably. Yeah. Nice summer touch. Oh, dude, thanks, Christy. Appreciate that. Just coming to the streams is enough, bros. Dude, yeah, I just need some ravioli, guys. All right, so a lot of people are in on this real quick. Which means that they know what they're doing. And if you know how to do these problems, dude, I'm telling you, bro, you can crush these out so fast. Maybe this is a little bit of the bandwagon going on, but I have a feeling people are totally getting this. Skills, got you. Nahar, I already got you, bro. First one. Geek, nice, dude. Geek did not simplify it again. That's funny. Rodney, legend. Tejas. Oh my gosh. Anna Cat. All right, you guys absolutely crushed this one. I'm not gonna do the full time on this. I think Mustard got it too. All right, so I will help with this one. That's what we're gonna be doing today, or at least for the first part. So everybody crushed this super hard. Yeah, so let's go over it. Whenever we're dealing with circles, dudes, they're super equal. They're really, really equal. Let me cut the I got a cough. Hold on one second. Bah, dude, I'm dying. So circles are really equal. So you have to think of yourself part over whole. And that's going to be true for a lot of different areas. When we have that part over whole, all of the part over wholes are going to be the same fraction. We have the angle over 360 degrees. We have the sector over the full area. And we have the arc over the full circumference. And all of these in one circle will equal each other. This may be 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. This may be 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. But dudes, it's going to be equal. So most of the people in the chat kind of already caught that already. So let's go into this really quick. Part over whole. Our part, well, we can do, well, we have the radius. So we can do the whole area. And that would be easy. So pi r squared is our formula, pi r squared. So this is going to be 36 pi for the whole area. And for all the geniuses in the chat who are roasting me, that's the number that was in my head when I was writing the problem. So that's our whole area. Remember, part over whole. So our part is going to be the shaded region, what happens to be 6 pi. So we put the part over whole because we have to figure out what the fraction is that all of these are equal to. So what it's going to be equal to is 1/6 because the pi's cancel out. So this is 1/6 of the area. This arc is 1/6 of the whole circumference. And this angle is 1/6 of 360. Now I'm just going to go really slow into this because so we have our angle over 360 cross multiply. The 6 times the angle equals 360. The angle equals 60. And that's why the chat was so fast with it. So that's how these go down. All right, so now I'm gonna give you a super, super hard version of this. It has gotten way harder before. Yeah, we are starting easy, so. All right, bro, so just kick it for a second. Let me think of a super hard problem for you guys. Oh, okay, all right. That'll be chill. Where's my ruler? Also, if you haven't already and you're new to the stream, don't forget to subscribe. We're going to be grinding for pretty much the entire month of October, or at least until the 26th. But dude, that Friday, like after Friday night, I like disappear. I like go away. So make sure, oh my gosh, dudes. All right, can we just get a quick F in the chat with how ugly that circle is already? All right, so, let's see. Make sure I do this right. Okay, cool. All right, so here, have they gotten harder? Yes, they've gotten harder. All right, let's get it. You guys get a minute and a half. Let's go. The area of this shape is 48 pi units squared. What is the perimeter? That should be feet squared, but yeah, that's true, boss. Yeah, so if you're confused, that's okay. Just remember, part over whole. Remember, part over whole. Okay, we got some answers coming in. I don't know why I immediately assumed it was Wiz. I just saw that number and I was like, Wiz? Okay, introvert. A lot of people are confused on how the chat got it this quickly, but do you know the chat? Tejas. Oh my gosh. Introvert. Alright. Poke. Alright. Wow, the chat's so good, dude. The chat's so smart. April. All right, Nahar. Dude, people who are new to the stream are like, "God, is so smart. How are they so fast?" That's the question. Badman. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. All right, so let's go into this now so we can see how this goes down. For all of you who are still working, that's cool. For all of you who are really confused on how to do this, now we'll go through it. Keep in mind, bros, what we're going to be working on with these circle problems is just identifying what the fraction is in this circle for the part over whole ratio. Cool. I see all these answers, but like I can't even go through them right now, to be honest. All right, so first off, we know that that's the center of this horribly drawn circle, so that means that's also 8 feet. So that's already going to help with our perimeter straight up. Now, we have a huge chunk of it missing, but what part is missing? What hole is there to compare it to? Well, we don't have the part that's missing, but we do have the part that's there. I mean, I can take that. So that would be a 48 pi over 64 pi. So now we can reduce that. That 48 over 64. Both of these can be divided by 6. Yes. So that's going to be 6 times 8. Yes. So that's going to be 8. And that's going to be, that cannot be divided by 6, so never mind. To be divided by 2. So 24, and then 32, and then 12, and 16, divide both by 4, 3/4. So what this part represents is 3/4 of the whole circle. That means that this is 1/4 of the whole circle. And what's 1/4 of the whole circle? Well, 1/4 and that part over whole, what we're going to get is that part right here, this angle is 90 degrees. Not that that matters, but that is something to take into consideration here. But now we need to just decide what the perimeter is. And to do that, we need the circumference. So the whole thing would be 16 pi because it's pi d. So the whole circumference is going to be 16 pi. We need to take 3/4 of that because remember, this is 3/4 of the whole circle, which would mean it's 3/4 of the circumference too. So 3/4 of 16. 16 times 3/4, that would be 12 pi. Okay, so this part of the circle is 12 pi. This part is 8 pi, that's 8 pi. So our whole answer for the perimeter would be 12 pi plus 16. Okay, all right. The chat normally is right on. Normally I would assume that's a problem with my work. But yeah, whatever. All right, let's do one more like these, and I'm gonna see if I can make them harder. First off, do you guys have any questions on how this one goes down, or were you guys, yeah, you disagree? Well, that's that's fine to disagree. So yeah, do you guys have any other questions about this before we should go into this? We were off by 100th. Yes, you were. Total area. We were talking about circumference, though. We were talking about circumference. That's wrong. Are you all roasting me? What? How is this wrong? What I'm looking for is the perimeter here. The whole perimeter is going to be pi times the diameter. So the whole perimeter is 16 pi. I need 3/4 of that. 3/4 of 16 pi is 12 pi. So that's this plus the 16, which is the two radiuses. So yeah, 12 pi plus 16. That's what I got, bros. Dude, you're confused again, Xiao? No way, bro. No way. No way. Dude, I was 100% right on this. Thank you, Pews. Shout out to Pews. Oh, Mustard, I'm not ignoring you, bro. I got you, dude. Okay, cool. So let's do one more of these problems. And guys, just keep in mind, it's just part over whole. So like when we're doing this, Like let's just say, let me ask you this. Um, we'll kind of mix yesterday and today. Oh my gosh, hold on. That is like so annoying to me. All right, so here is kind of a probability question for you guys who are still slightly confused. Um, it's just part overhaul, bro. Thanks, April. That's so nice. I think it's a beautiful circle too. Okay, so something like that. And let's say this is 45 degrees, and this is the free ravioli space. All right, cool. So here's the question. I have a feeling people will get it pretty quickly, but if you're still learning this might be a little bit of a challenge. So let's get this real quick. Dude, I'm super glad that chat's got its priorities straight, bro. Like, we should be playing with dogs. We should not be doing math. Not today, at least. Dude, I might go get another coffee. I'm like dying. I'll give you guys like another minute on this one. Dude, people who are just joining the chat are like, what? So yeah, all right. So we got some answers coming in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to start writing them down, at least a little bit. 1/8, and that's Rohan. Nice, bro. Nice. Okay. Got 1/8 too. Nice, bro. Crunchy. Okay, 63 out of 72. Astalabor. Got you. Uh, Anaket. Cool. Brielle. Yeah. Great. Poke. Geek. Okay, yeah. So everybody's getting in here. Nazir. All right, Zhao. Good job, bro. Good job. Henry. Right, dude. Wiz. A little off. Venice got 128. Oh, no. All right. Prominent. 1 out of 18, bro. Lonely. Got you, lonely thing. All right, cool. All right, Badman got 42. Okay, so yeah, let's go over this one really quick. Sorry, sorry, you can hear the dogs playing in the other room. All right, so this is part over whole. What is our part over whole for this circle? That's a W. 45 degrees out of a total of 360 degrees. That is our part. So what this reduces to is 1/8. So that means 1/8 of the board is taken up with this angle. So that's it. Bang. Oh, dude, Dan's. Did I really miss you last stream? No way, bro. Did I miss you on this stream already? No way. Oh man, sorry if I did. Shout out to Dan's. Cause I guess I keep missing your answers, bro. All right, so yeah, that's the super easy one. No, introvert. That's upside down. All right. All right, so let's do a little bit of a harder one. Now that everybody kind of gets that everything is proportional to that first fraction you find. Let me see here. Okay. Okay, this actually will be really chill, I think. Yeah, this will be really chill. Okay. Mm, okay. Okay. So here is a super hard question that I think will super challenge you guys to do this like part over whole circle stuff. Now, if this is too confusing for you still, don't even trip, because this is probably harder than you'll see on the test, but they could give this to you. So here's the question, guys. So we have a tire. How far will this busted tire go after one rotation? Let's get it. I'll give you guys like a minute and a half to do this one. Yeah, I can cover the handbook. Okay, 32 plus 4. 32 pi plus 4. Okay. 32 pi plus 4. I think that was Batman. Okay, got you, Batman. What? Introvert. Okay. Yeah, we can cover the handbook soon, Zach. We'll go over it. 2/3 pi. Poke. Got you, dude. 32 plus 10 pi, whiz. Oh my god, dude. What? Dude, the chat is so smart today. Wow. That's right. 32. Every single person got 32. Oh my gosh. Okay. What if I added this to this? What if I added this, huh? Would that make this easier to do? If this is a straight line, let me make that totally straight. No curve. That is a straight line. Does that change anything? Dude. Okay. So what we're dealing with here, if this is 2 feet, this is also 2 feet, which means this is also 2 feet, because this would be an equilateral triangle, 60, right up in here. So then we need to find out what is missing from the circumference of the circle. So it would be this 60 out of 360, and so 1/6 of the circle is missing, which means that this part of the circumference is 5/6 of the circumference. So what is the whole circumference? The whole circumference is pi times the diameter. So 4 pi is the circumference. This happens to be 5/6 of that circumference, so that'd be 20 divided by 6, or 10 divided by 3, 10 pi divided by 3. And then we would add that additional 2 feet, so plus that 2 feet. So it's 10 pi divided by 3 plus 2 feet. All right, so that one was super hard, but don't even trip about it, because we're gonna do one more at least. Let's see here. Okay. All right, so check it out. Here's a little bit more complex. Yeah, do I know you guys aren't trying? No, that 32 looked like a pretty good answer. I'm just kidding. All right, cool. So the radius is 10 feet. What is the area of the shaded region? That's a 45, and that's a 30. Let's go. I'll give you guys like a minute and a half for this one. Yeah. All right, I'll give you guys like a minute more for this. 98? Shade? Is that supposed to be 98 pi, Shade? Oh, Shade's counting down from 100, never mind. All right, guys, I'll give you guys like 40 more seconds for this one. $20.83. Can you put that in terms of pi, ease? Can you put that in terms of pi? 195 inordinate. Okay, and that is time. Wow. I didn't realize this was hard. Wow. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go through how to do this one. If you're still working or if you're still confused, that's totally fine. So again, what we're working with is that part over whole, but we have two of parts over whole. So there's a couple different ways you can do this. I'm gonna do the kind of the simple way where we find out each of these and add them up. Okay, so the first we have is 45 out of 360. And as we talked about last time, that's gonna be 1/8. So the whole area is going to be 100, 1/8 of 100, and I'm just going to keep it as 54th or 50 pi over 4 or 25 pi over 2. So that's how much this area is right in here, 25 pi over 2, which happens to be 1/8 of 100, interestingly enough. So we've already got that answer. Let me put this in pictures so you can actually see this. So that's what this area is right up in here, is 25 pi over 2, because that's 1/8 of 100, which is the full area. So now we have to do this, which 30 over 360 is 1 over, what would that, 1 over, oh my god, 12. So that would be 1/12 of 100 pi, 100 pi. So that would be 50 pi over 6 or 25 pi over 3. So what our answer would be 25 pi over 2 plus 25 pi over 3. And obviously we need to make the denominators the same, so I'm going to multiply this guy by 3, multiply this guy by 2, and we have it all over 6. So I'm going to take it over here actually. So what we have is 125 pi divided by 6. Does that divide? Does 3 go into that? I really don't think so. 7, 8, nope, 3 does not go into that. So yeah, that's our answer. 125 pi over 6. Yeah, I think Shade actually dropped that in. And yeah, Venna, that's perfect. Really nice, guys. All right, cool. All right. So, should we do one more of these types of problems, or should we change to a different type of like question? Like we could stay on these like circle problems, like no big deal. Yeah, dude, the chat is trolling today, but I don't know. That's like whatever. Worst things have happened. Yeah, I think a lot of the chat actually, they've been like studying so hard over the summer that just like me, their brain's a little dead, but it's all good. So yeah, we can continue working on circles, or if you guys have any other questions, we could do that, because like I said, you want to do more. Okay, so let's do another one. Let me see if I can make it kind of tricky for you guys. Oh, I know what I'm going to do here. We'll do something like this. Okay. And then that would be okay. All right. So let me fill this in with shaded really quick. Yeah. Dude, Wiz, we could probably do that during OG. Just ask me. All right, cool. So for the people who are still working on these circles, let's get this problem really quick. All right, guys, you have a minute and a half to solve this. Let's go. Dude, is there really COD Mobile for sure? All right, guys, one more minute. Pi. That's poke. Nice, bro. A boss got that too. Nice. Pews. Henry. Word. Xiao. Rona. Astalabor. Word. Shad. Huh. Dude, you guys crushed this, Leo. Alright, that's about time. Dark. Got you, Dark. Prominent. Tejas. Nice. Nice. Okay, cool. So, Brielle. Got you too. Oh, sorry, April. Got you. Where's Dan's? Did I skip him again? Crunchy. Alright, cool. Everybody got this one, which I'm like super pumped about. Sing. Cool, man. All right, so let's go into how to do this one. Oh, skills got it too. I got it. Nice. All right, cool. Oh, Dan's. I didn't forget you, my dude. Word. Okay, cool. So guys, I feel like a lot of you guys did this. Anaket, I already got you, Anaket. Didn't I already write you down? Anaket, got you now though. Habib, nice dude. All right, cool. Let's go into this. Legend, got you, dude. All right, so let's go into this. What is our part and what of our whole? Now that's going to be 1/8 of 360. We've talked about 45 over 360 a couple times today. So that's 1/8, which means that this is 7/8, which means our part over whole is going to be 7/8. This is 7/8 the circumference. This is 7/8 the area. This angle is 7/8 360. So then we need to find out what the whole area is. 8 feet squared would be 64. So 7 over 8 times 64 pi. 56 pi. Crush. Good job, Chad. Yeah. Good job, bros. Who did I skip? Sing, I already got. No, I got you for sure. No, who's on all caps? Legend, I definitely got you for sure. What's up, Rachel? So yeah, hopefully you guys understand how to do these problems now. We kind of went through it, I guess, a little bit, but yeah, hopefully they're not as complicated as they were before. Hopefully they were a little bit easier or whatever. Okay, cool. So let's see. So what should we work on? We only have time for like 1 or 2 more questions. Like I said, it's going to be a kind of a short stream today, just because I have like a session right after this. Let's see. Yeah, there's a little bit of a delay. Yeah, that's just what happens, I guess. Okay, cool. So the chat is really smart today, dude. Okay, cool. So yeah, we can work on one more of those circle problems. We could also do a motivational speech at the end. I can do that, Rachel. Yeah. That stream. Dude, logic and stuff, good luck with that, dude. That's tough. Age problem? Real last question in deep mind. Ooh. Dude, let's do an age problem. We guys have not done that at all. So let's do that really quick. So just kick it for a second, and then I'll put this problem together. Hold on. Let me cut that music out a little bit. All right, so let me put a problem together. Okay. Okay. Mm. Okay. So here we have a little bit of algebra. We're going to be changing pace a little bit, to be or not to be. Dude, prominent, what that means when they say what's the y value in terms of x, they mean solve for y and just let x be whatever. So if it says solve a in terms of b, just solve for a and just let b whatever it needs to be. All right, so let's get this. Gabriello is 3 times as old as his brother Joe Hank. In 6 years, Gabriello will be twice as old as Joe Hank. How old was Joe Hank 5 years ago? All right, minute and a half, guys. Let's get it. Dude, we can do x in terms of y is like the next question for sure. Dude, Shot is going full Shakespeare on us. All right, guys, I'll give you like another minute on this one. All right, Pew's got an answer. Annika? Huh? I got 15 more seconds. Ease. April. Leo. Asta Labor. Habib. Rachel. Nice. That's time. Hopefully you're underneath that time, bros. Geek. Rodney. Nice, dude. Anisha. Word. Skills. Introvert. A boss. Yeah, everybody's coming in. Nice, dude. Good job, bros. Tejas. All right, so a lot of people got this, so let's just go over it for the people in the chat who are still confused. Gabriella is 3 times as old as his brother, Joe Hank. So that means however old Gabriella is, that's going to be 3 times as old as Joe Hank in 6 years. So Gabriella is going to be 6 years older. Joe Hank is going to be 6 years older. And now Gabriella is twice whatever that new age of Joe Hank is. We're going to substitute in our 3J for our G, because G equals 3J. I'm going to distribute. So I'm going to subtract 2J from each side. Subtract 6 from each side. Boom. And I'm super, super pumped about the fact that nobody wrote 6, because we want to know how old Joe Hank is 5 years ago. So, 1. Good job, bros. So, dude, there was a problem in DeepMind that was really, really hard. That people were like saying was like really tough. I can like pull it up for a second. Isn't it Joe Hanky? Yeah. Oh no, that's a different person. Joe Hanky is a different person than Joe Hank. Very different people. Yeah, Anisha, that's brilliant. That's exactly it. Earlier was Joe Hanky. Yeah, this is a new person. They really don't like the fact that they get confused a lot, but that's just the way it is. Okay, cool. So this is the bruh moment. Okay, cool. So all right, dudes, let's do one more problem, and let's see if I can really trick you guys for this one, because I'm tired of you guys BTFOing all of my problems. So let me pull one up from DeepMind that I think is really tough, or at least I had someone test DeepMind for me, and this is the problem that they were like, no, basically no. So let me see if I can find it really quick. No, wait, no. I remember it was like in the 30s, wasn't it? Wait, no. It has something to do with pens. Hold on, let me see if I can find it really quick. No. Where is it? Hold on a second. Wait. Ah, here it is. Yes. Okay. Here it is. Here's the question. So let's see. And let me get like some background music really quick on. So. Okay, and I know Tejas is actually gonna jump on this like in 2 seconds because he actually caught this mistake. That's so funny. All right, so let's go. Bill is 6 times as old as Benjer. In 30 years, Benjer will be 1/2 of Bill's age. How old will Benjer be 2 years? Let's go. So I'll give you guys a minute and a half, or I'll give you guys like 2 minutes for this one, because I legit think this one is actually kind of hard, but whatever. Can we get hype music? Yeah, we can get hype music after this track, bro. We can get hype music right after this song or whatever. Don't forget to smash that like if you haven't already, and definitely subscribe if you're looking for more SHSAT content. Okay, so Poke got 7.5. Skills got 8.5. Okay, 30 more seconds, bros. Misclicked. I know that's tragedy, Poke. Sing. Yeah, dude, skills you did, yeah. April. Poke is gonna be so mad. Xiao. Benjer. Yeah, dude. Skills. Ooh. Hasta labor. Skills, you're changing your answer. Yeah, you kind of did, Poke. Tejas got 9.5. Okay, Tejas. Nahar got 8.5. Yes, skills I did. I did, bro. I did. Habib. Yeah. Okay, so that is about time for these types of questions. I think these are kind of hard. Poke. What are you talking about? Legend? Henry? Geek? Geeks, you've been ripping it up, dude. Anacat? Nice. Bing got 7.5. Got you, Bing. Nice. Leo. Word. Okay, cool. So let's go through this question so we can see how it's done. Guys, if you're confused, what this is a system of equations, very similar to the last one we did. And I'm gonna keep filling in these names as we go along for sure. All right, so check it. Bill is 6 times as old as Benjer. Now, I am not going to get it twisted here because this is a B and this is a B. So I'm just going to use their second letter, right? So I is equal sign 6 times as old as Benjer, okay? In 30 years. So I is going to be 30 years older in 30 years. So the age that I in is now I plus 30, or Bill, whatever. Benjer will also be 30 years older, so E plus 30. But this time, Benjer is only going to be half the age. So if you times it by 2, he'll be as old as Bill. So if you can get this, you are good to go, bro. It's pronounced Tejas. Yeah, I think. Brielle, got you. So once we have these two equations, then what we're dealing with is substitution. Keep in mind that you can get tricked, and it says Bill is 6 times and Benjer will be 1/2. I could have put a 1/2 on this side of the equation and not put that 2. That's fine. But try to keep it together because we know Benjer is going to be younger, so Benjer is going to need a lot of help to be as old as Bill. Okay. Substituting in a 6e for this I because I equals 6e. 6e plus 30 equals 2e plus 60. Subtract 2e from each side. 4e plus 30 equals 60. Subtract 30 from each side. 4e equals 30. E equals 7.5. So that's how old Benjer is right now. And so a couple people did put that 7.5 number, but oh, watch out, bruh. Because I'm asking in 2 years. So in 2 years, yeah, he's gonna be 9.5. Yeah, so that's how this one goes down. So hold on a second. All right. So yeah. Okay. The hype music is in. Iconic ending. I know it was a short stream today, bros, and I'm probably gonna put on another stream tomorrow that'll be a little bit longer, but I have a flight tomorrow after the stream, so I gotta keep it kind of concise. But yeah, dudes, welcome to the stream, everybody. If this is your first time, definitely drop a sub and a like. We're gonna be grinding all the way through the test. Check out the website. We got DeepMind, we got math and ELA practice and online tests. All of it's free. So if you want to study, you know what I mean? Study. So yeah. I gotta get going because I have another session right afterwards, and I gotta get another cup of coffee before I before I die. So dudes, I will see you tomorrow, 6 p.m. Oh, I should probably write that. 6 p.m. stream, yee. Yeah, drop by if you want to study because we're just gonna be grinding. And we will have more ELA, just to answer your questions and stuff. COD Mobile's pretty good. I'll check it out, bro. I've been playing too many Brawl Stars for sure. All right, dudes. So I'll see you guys later. I'll keep the chat up for a little bit, but peace.